Greetings everybody, how are you all doing? Hope you're good and welcome to Ugoloma. This is our channel and welcome. This is my students, my husband Ugo, and this is me, the teacher in this class. Welcome to Asụsụ Igbo Language class. So last class we talked about alphabets. We pronounced all the alphabets. If you've not had that class, if you've not watched the class, please go watch the class and then come back to this one, okay? That will help you. Thank you so much and you're welcome. Now we are going to get to today's class because I said that in the next class I'm going to be starting with the alphabet A, B, C, D, A and giving you words how to pronounce them. But before we get to the class of today, we're going to revise what we had the last class, which was A, B, C, D. We're going to sing that song, okay? You ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
Don't laugh at me now.
Okay, let's go together. 1, 2, ready, go.
A, B, C, D, E, F,
G, W, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, R, P, R, S, T, G, U, O, V, W, Y, Z. Wow! Good job. You did a good job right there. I hope you did too. I hope you did. Okay, now let's get to today's class. Today we are going to be pronouncing words associated with this alphabet. Okay, remember this is A, right? And this is
B, C, D, E.
Very good. A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so these are words that I've written down that are associated with them. The ones in the green are the alphabets, while the ones in blue are regular words. So now we're going to be pronouncing them. I'm going to help you pronounce them. It's either going to be in the beginning of the word, the middle of the word, or the end of the word. No matter where it is. By the time you pronounce the first one and the second one, you're going to pronounce the other ones. Okay? Let's get to A. The first word is bata.
Bata.
You see? A, right?
Yeah.
So it's bata.
Bata.
Bata. Bata. You have to say it. Bata.
Bata.
Bata means come in. Okay? Come in. Bata. Bata. The next word is aqua.
Aqua.
Aqua. See, remember, aqua.
Aqua.
Aqua. Now, in Igbo language, this particular word comes in different structures. You have aqua, aqua, aqua. Another one, but we're just going to take one of them today, okay? Today we just mention aqua.
Aqua. Aqua. Aqua. I'll try it.
You have aqua, 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 aqua. Yeah, it's almost like 5 of them.
It's like a duck trying to speak and you trying to listen to it. Quack, 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 quack. All that different sounds.
Okay, so back to that. So it's aqua
Aqua.
or aqua.
Aqua.
So you see that it's a, right? They all sound like a. Now I'm going to allow you to say the next one. How do you say this? D-A-P-U. This is English spelling now. So I'm going to spell it in Igbo. The. A. U.
Dapu.
Correct. Give me 5. Yes. Dapo. Dapo. There's an U here. Dapo. Dapo means fall. Okay? Dapo. Fall. Fall out.
Fall out.
Yes, to fall out. Dapo. Okay? Next one is
Agu.
Agu. Correct. Agu. Agu means lion. Yes, I know you like this one. Lion.
Yeah, my favorite animal.
Yeah, his favorite animal is a lion. Agu. 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 That's also an O here. Agu. Okay, next one.
Allah.
Again.
Allah.
Allah. Allah.
And what is it?
It means floor.
Floor.
The ground. Allah. Noro Allah. Sit down. Allah. Allah means floor or down.
You gotta be careful when you say that around though. You be like Allah, they be like Muslim.
So Allah. Say it again.
Allah.
All right, now you're gonna pronounce all of them one after the other. Go.
Bata.
Bata.
Bata. Aqua. Dapu.
Dapo.
Dapo. Agu.
Ago.
Allah.
Allah. Very good. I hope you pronounced that right. Let's get to B. Bo.
Ba.
Bo. 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 Okay? Next, I'm going to pronounce just the first two and you pronounce the last ones, okay?
Okay.
Bia.
Bia.
See? Bo. Bia.
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 Bia. Did you pronounce that? Bia. Bia means come. Come. Bia, 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 bia. 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 Next one. Biko.
Biko.
So now you see that when you're pronouncing a consonant word like b, okay, the words that usually follow it is vowels. Vowels usually follow it. So that vowels helps you to pronounce the word at a time. See, this one is a bia, so a b, bia, right? This is b. So with the e here, you will have bia, right? Remember that this is e, right?
Yes.
So this is bia, and this one is what?
Biko.
Biko, B, right?
Biko.
Biko. What is Biko? You know this one, right?
Please.
Please, correct. Biko is please. Biko. Please. Next one, now you're going to pronounce it.
Bata.
Bata. The same word we had here, right? But
Yes.
because we had the B. Bata. The same word. Bata. Come in. Bata. Come in. Okay, next one.
Buru.
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 Correct. Buru.
Buru.
Buru carry. Buru. Next one. This is somebody's name.
I can get this.
Try.
Ebuka.
Again.
Ebuka.
What is this?
Ebuka.
Good. Ebuka. Correct. Ebuka. Bu. Buru. The same thing, right?
Yes.
This is A, right?
Yes.
Ebuka. Go.
Ebuka.
That's somebody's name. Ebuka. Right now, we're going to pronounce all of them one after the other. Go.
Bia. Biko. Bata. Buru. Ebuka.
Give me 5. Yes! He got it. Did you get it? I hope you did. Next one, we are going to che. Right? Now we're in che. We're going to pronounce the words.
Che.
Now the first word here, che did not start it, but this is right?
Yes.
Cheta. Good. Ncheta means remembrance. Somebody wants to say happy birthday or remembrance of your birthday. Ncheta omoge. Remembrance.
Ncheta moge.
Omoge. I'll tell you what that means later. Ncheta. Good. Ncheta. Hope you say that. Next one, I will say it and then you pronounce the other ones, okay? Chuku. What's your name?
Ugo Chuku.
So you know how to say that one. Chuku. Chuku means God. Chuku, the Most High, our Abba Father, our everlasting. Chuku. Okay, now you're going to pronounce the next ones. Go.
Okay. Choro.
Choro. Gini ka ichoro. What do you want? Choro. Want. Choro. Gini ka ichoro. What do you want? choro. Want or look for, when you're looking for something. Gini ka ị na-achọ? What are you looking for? What do you want? Choro. Okay? This one is somebody's name. How do you say this? This is
Chicken.
You say this together?
Chica.
Chica. Correct. Chica. 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 Good. That's somebody's name. Chica. Chi means God and ka means more. So God is more. Chica.
Okay.
Chica. Next one.
Chefu. Chefu. Chefu.
Good. Chefuo. Chefuo. Very good. Did you get it? Che. Right, this is ch. Right? Then you have fuo. Chefuo. Forget. So this is opposite of this one. Chefuo. Forget. Ncheta. Remember.
Ncheta.
Chefuo.
Chefu.
Chefuo. Forget. Leave that thing. Chefuo, yeah. Chefuo. 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 Okay. Now it's time to pronounce all of them by yourself. Go.
Okay. Ncheta.
Ncheta.
Chuku.
Chuku.
Choro.
Choro.
Chica.
Chica. Say it again.
Chica. Chefu.
Chefuo in 5. Good job. See? He's good at this. Now, this is the first time he's actually saying this, so don't even think that he has learned it before. Just like you, I hope you are pronouncing this one after the other. Over time, you know how to pronounce. Then we're going to go to meanings and go to how to make our own sentences, okay? Structure by structure, line by line, precept upon precept, if you're using the Bible. Next one is the. The. That is D in English, right? The. The first one is there.
There.
Now you have two vowel words together here. So you know, say that. That is DE, right?
You
so you
gotta
have
stress it?
yes, you have to stress the word in double. So you're there.
There.
Good. There. Just like when you're saying eh. Yes. So it's like there. Good.
There.
There means right. So you see, and let me tell you now. There, Igbo. There, Asụsụ Igbo. Right, Igbo language. There, Asụsụ Igbo. Right, Igbo language. So there means what?
There.
What does it mean?
Oh, right.
Right. It means right. There. Next one. D.
D.
Do you know what D means? I always call you this.
Demo. Husband.
Yes! Good.
I was like,
Yes. So this is Dimo. I always call him Dimo. So it's husband. Dimo. Mo means mine, okay? My husband. D means husband. Write down. There. D. See? D. The. D. There is an I here, so you have D. Remember, there is no dot here. If there is dot here, you write D, but it's not. There is no dot here, so it is D, E. Next one.
Ada.
That's somebody's name. Ada, first daughter. Ada, first daughter. You can also call a girl Ada, but mostly for the first daughter, the first child. First girl is called Ada. Next one.
Dapo.
Dapo. That's fallout. We've already pronounced it here sometime. Yes. Dapo, right?
Yeah.
Dapo. 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 Next one.
Ndo.
Ndo, you know this one. What does it mean?
Welcome.
No. Ndo. What does it mean? Ndo.
Okay, well, I have to tell
I'm
you.
sorry.
I'm sorry. Okay.
Yes. Ndo. I'm sorry. Ndo. Biko is what?
Please.
Ndo.
Sorry.
So if you want to say, please, sorry, what do you say?
Biko ndo.
Bikondo. Understand? So it's ndo, sorry. Ndo. So now you're going to pronounce all the d for me. Let's see. Let's go.
De.
Di.
Ada. Dapo.
Dapo.
Ndo.
Ndo. Very good. You're fine. Good job. You see? I hope you're pronouncing it very, very well. It's easy. It's not difficult. In Igbo language, we stress mostly the vowel sounds. The vowel sounds, we pronounce it well. That's why when you see an Igbo person pronouncing what, they say it loud, they say it out. Because of what? They're using Igbo intonation, because it's all, you pronounce everything. You hardly miss some things. But there are some places you skip some word and some out letters, and I'll tell you that one will progress, okay? Next one, we are in Remember that. In English, this is E, but in Igbo it is Good. Now, I'll start with the first one. Efere.
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 Now, when you're pronouncing Igbo words, the intonation, the stress, and the sound the tones must be correct. He said efere. Wrong. You're trying to use the English intonation to pronounce Igbo word. Wrong. Don't do that. Efere. Okay? Go.
Efere.
Very good. Means plate. Plate. Efere. Efere. Plate. Next one. Chefuo. You already said it here before. Chefuo.
Chefuo.
So you see here, chefuo.
Chefuo.
Chefuo. What did I say chefuo means? I know you
What's
don't.
the floor?
No, that is not floor. Floor is Allah. This means forget. Forget. We have not gotten to learning the words, okay? We're just learning how to pronounce them. But if you can just remember one or two, that is good for you, okay? Try as much as possible to remember at least one or two words, it's okay. Write it down and write down the meanings by the side. It's going to help you. By the time we finish all the alphabet, your vocabulary is building, okay? So make sure as you're writing the word, you're writing the meaning by the side. Don't stress yourself about the meanings now. Just pronounce them first. But at least it will help you over time when you start studying to remember, oh, this word means this, okay? The first one is what?
Efere.
Efere. The next one?
Chefuo.
Chefuo. Next one?
De.
There. Very good. It's already here. There. Next one?
Beke.
Beke. Remember stress. You have to.
Beke.
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 Beke means English. Beke. Asụsụ. This is Asụsụ Igbo. So if you want to say English language, what do you say?
Asụsụ Igbo Bekee.
No, Asụsụ Igbo. Just say Asụsụ.
Asụsụ Bekee.
Asụsụ Bekee. That is English language. So Asụsụ Igbo means what? Igbo language. So when you say Asụsụ Bekee, Bekee
means English language, right?
Yes. Next.
Chere.
Chere. Chere.
Chere.
Chere. Chere means wait. Chere, 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 chere. Wait. Chere. 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 Okay, that's easy. Let's go. You have to pronounce all the words one after the other. Go.
Efere.
Efere.
Efere. Chefuo.
Chefuo.
De. Beke.
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 Beke. Chere.
Chere. Chere. Very good. Clap for yourself or pat yourself at the back.
Yes.
Pat yourself. Yeah, good job. Okay, now you've done a good job by pronouncing all this one. Let's do it one more time. We'll go over all of them at the same time. You ready? Let's do this. 1, 2, ready, go.
Bata.
Bata.
Aqua.
Aqua.
Dapo.
Dapo.
Dapo. Ago.
Ago.
Ala.
Ala.
Bia.
Bia.
Biko,
Biko,
bata,
bata,
baru, buru,
buru,
abuka, ebuka,
ebuka,
ncheta,
ncheta,
chuku,
chuku,
choro,
choro,
chika,
chika,
chika, chefuo,
chefuo, good,
de,
di,
ada,
ada,
dapo,
dapo, ndo,
efere,
efere,
chefuo,
de,
beke,
So you have to keep practicing this one. Beke. What is beke?
English.
Asụsụ beke. English language.
Chere.
Very good. Now you have known how to pronounce words associated with a, b, ch, d, e. In our next class, we are going to learn fe, ge, we, gui. Okay? Get ready. Practice these words, and in our next class, I'm going to ask you to pronounce like 5 of these words just by yourself. So get ready. In our next class, I'll be seeing you then. I hope you enjoyed today's class.
Alright, fine.
Okay, so we'll see you next time. To have a nice time, and I hope you subscribe to our channel. Okay, we have so many things we provide here on this channel, Igbo, exercise, health, and other things. So make sure you click that subscribe button and the bell beside it to get notified whenever we upload videos. See you next time. I love you. Mwah. What do you have to say?
Until next time, see you.
Bye.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell beside it for new video updates.